This RE/MAX Ultimate Coastal Properties property video is presented by Rebecca Moore. Brand new manufactured home, the Cherrywood by J and M Homes.3 bedroom, 2 bathroom split floor plan, sits on Taylor Creek frontage in beautiful Hunter Creek. Sit on deck and listen to the creek. Pad for garage shop installed. Close to town and sheltered from wind. Want a home never lived in before? This is the place for you. For more information, review the details below or contact Rebecca Moore at 541-698-7558.